Yes.
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज सुमित कुमार और हमारे साथ हैं अभी मेघना भट्ट। उनका आईआईटी धारवाड़ में पीएचडी में सिलेक्शन हुआ है और ये उनका पहला अटेम्प्ट था, यही उनका पहला इंटरव्यू था। और ये आई थिंक फरवरी एंड या मार्च फर्स्ट वीक में इसी ईयर इन्होंने ज्वाइन किया था नेट कोर्स के लिए। नेट जेआरएफ गेट जो भी गेट तो इनका खैर हो ही चुका था, कुछ बहुत अच्छा रैंक नहीं था बट एनीवे, बट इनका मेहनत से इनका ये सिलेक्शन हुआ है। इनको बहुत ही कम जगह से कॉल आया क्योंकि इनके पास जेआरएफ नहीं था, बट एनीवे फाइनली शी गॉट पीएचडी एंड आई एम वेरी मच हैप्पी फॉर हर। एंड चलो तो सुनते हैं इनसे इनकी जर्नी के बारे में, कहाँ से इनका बैकग्राउंड है, कैसा रहा इनका इंटरव्यू का एक्सपीरियंस पीएचडी का, और गणित इनके लिए कैसा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया इनकी लाइफ में। ऑल दोज थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू सी। ओके, एनीवे मेघना, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत बहुत आपको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस आपका इस ग्रेट सक्सेस के लिए। और कैसा रहा, हाउ वाज योर फीलिंग?
Thank you so much, sir. I'm feeling very happy about this one because uh, I wanted to do mathematics from the beginning, and now getting into PhD, uh, I feel like this is not really real. Still, it's a dream for me, so I'm very happy.
Yeah, I am also too happy, too much happy, not happy, बहुत खुश हूँ। Anyway, तो कैसा रहा? From where you have done your MSc or you are doing MSc?
Sir, I have just completed my MSc this year from Pondicherry University.
Pondicherry University. Okay, and your native place from where you belongs to?
I'm from Karnataka, so especially, I mean, the district I belong to is Uttara Kannada. Uh, yes, sir.
Okay, just a second. Okay, so you have, so tell us about your academic details, where you have done what, your 10th, graduations, and then your PhD and all that. How was your experience? और कैसे आपको research में motivate किया, and your family background, all those things.
Yes. Sir, I told you I am from Uttara Kannada. So I have done my SSLC and then PUC, 10th and 12th from there only. Actually, in my high school itself, I had a teacher. So he used to teach very nice geometry actually. So that's what we learn in high school, right? Mostly. That was quite very much interesting for me. And then in PUC also, I mean in 12th also, I received a lot of support from the teacher. Like in our batch, at least many of the students who wanted to take up engineering, where there were less people who were really interested to take up pure science. And also, it's like when you say you want to go to pure science, we don't get that much of support from anybody.
Including
People
family
don't
also.
really accept it.
Including family
No,
also.
sir, in that case, I was quite lucky. My
Acha.
parents were okay with whatever I was doing. Like they were telling me, like, if you are interested in that, you can go for it.
Okay. From your 12th
Yeah.
standard, you are very much interested in this so-called pure science or pure mathematics portions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So this pure science, I don't know, like probably at that point we don't really understand what it is, but still I was not ready to go to engineering. I wanted to take up pure
That is
science.
the case.
So I volunteered to take up.
Acha. Wow. So you are exceptionally then. You are very exceptional because lot of the students are coming to the science because they didn't get engineering. है ना, होता है कि engineering में वो fail हो गए, exam दिए, अच्छा चलो फिर BSc MSc कर लेते हैं। तो I think you are also example बहुत सारे student के लिए. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Also, at that point, I actually received like many people opposed it because I had got 96% in my state board, and then a good rank in CET also, the Common Entrance Test for engineering. So many
Okay.
of them wanted me to go to engineering, not to
That's
take up BSc.
yeah. In the Karnataka state, there is a common interest test so that you can go to
Yeah,
colleges, engineering, like RV College,
yeah,
Ramaiah, all those, right? Okay, good.
yeah.
So you left those things. Please continue. Continue.
Yeah, yeah. And then I joined my bachelor's degree in Udupi, Karnataka. So
Hmm.
that is like 6 hours journey from my home.
Hmm.
So there also, from mathematics department, I received a lot of support from there. The HOD from there,
Hmm.
she supported me a lot after seeing my interest in mathematics.
So you used to visit daily 6 hour, or you stay there? I mean, in some hostel or
No, sir. I stayed away from my parents. I mean, I stayed there in Udupi only.
in some PG. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Okay.
yes.
So that was the, so when you have finished your BSc, किस साल आपने finish किया था BSc?
2000, 2016 to 2019 batch.
Oh, 2016 to
Yes.
2019. Okay. So
Uh,
after that, tell me.
yeah. So after that, I joined Pondicherry University. Actually, I have tried giving JAM also, but
Hmm.
I couldn't do it. So,
Okay.
and then I could clear this Pondicherry University entrance exam.
Yeah,
So I joined there.
that is also one of the best university we have in Central University, Pondicherry University. You know,
Yes.
from last 2 years, lot of students. This the Mukil. He was also from Pondicherry, and he now in ISER
Okay.
or IT Kanpur. I don't know, but anyway, so that's good. That's a good choice. Anyway, how was experience there?
Yes, sir, it was very good.
Hmm.
So even though like we could stay only 6 months over there,
Yeah.
like only one semester, after that 2 months, that's it, right? So we came at March 2020. We
Due
came
to
back home
COVID.
because of the pandemic. Yeah, yeah. But still, in the like whatever in the 6 months that we stayed there, at that point, like we received a lot of support, and they were very much helpful for us. Like, so even if we ask small things, also they used to, uh, I mean, motivate us to do the studies, and yeah, after that, even in the online also we got good things only. It was good overall, very good experience at Pondicherry University.
How was here? How you come to know about a Nobel Forum?
Ah, so I actually watched a few of your videos even while preparing for JAM also. Like it's
Acha.
quite long, yeah.
Hmm.
And then, okay, so I gave my first attempt net at December 2019.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, at that point, okay, I could not clear it. And then I did not even prepare also. So I agree that.
Hmm.
And then at the November attempt, I mean, the next November 2020 attempt, I had actually prepared very well.
Hmm.
I thought I'm good to go, and I gave it. But unfortunately, at that point also, there were a lot of silly mistakes I have done in the paper. So I figured out that. So I thought, sort of, it was mentally depressing also, because
Yeah.
in the pandemic situation, like everybody is doing everything online, you are staying at home. It's quite difficult for to take that. So and so yeah, I was feeling quite bad about, really bad about that, because I was expecting myself to clear net this time. That November attempt.
Hmm.
And then probably, okay, so I was more stressed also, even while giving the exam also, kind of like I want to clear it, like that kind of thing had made me stressed.
Hmm.
So in the gate attempt, I thought that, okay, let me not really think about the result,
Hmm.
just go and give the exam.
Hmm.
So fortunately, I could clear it. But the thing is, I sort of probably my preparation wasn't enough for gate also.
Hmm.
So I did not get a very good rank, but
Hmm.
it was like okay. And then I thought, no, if I if I keep on continue the same, then I won't be able to make it to what I want to do. I want to do mathematics. I want to do go for research. So I thought, because I was seeing your videos from quite long, and you explain, I mean, you just don't explain the questions, you explain the concepts behind that. And that's what, no, that's what we actually want. That's how we should do mathematics, right? So I thought, I mean, you will be a good mentor for me to crack this one. So I joined the institute.
So how was your experience and your trauma or your whatever so-called mental stress? Did you recover from here, and what was that experience here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So after joining the classes, so you used to give us some set of problems and some set of, I mean, deadlines also used to be there, right? Like we have to do this before this. So I involved myself in more in mathematics. So that helped me, that built me the confidence inside me. And so I was doing it with properly, like with time management and all. So I started doing that. And yeah, that definitely helped me during the interview also. So I could attempt the questions and questions with more confidence, and um I was having a good approach at that. Yeah.
Good. So how was your interview experience? How was that? I mean, पहला interview था ये आपका, or this was your second interview? What was that? Or before that, how many calls you got? I mean, कितने IIT server
So,
call?
sir, I got only 2 calls. One was from IIT Mandi, and the other one is from this IIT Dharwad. So IIT Mandi interview was my first interview, but so okay, I'm interested more in algebra.
You told, yeah.
I don't know, something sort of algebra is like I like it. So, but when I got the call from IIT Mandi, I did not really know that it is for PDE they are calling. But yeah, actually, when I gone through the institute, like it was more of applied was going on.
Yes.
Yeah. So that interview was quite okay, but I really did not do it well because I did not know much about
Applied PD, yes, they have asked you a
applied.
question, you told me, yeah. What
Yeah.
about here
Yeah.
in Harvard?
Yeah. So here the call was for algebra. So
Happy
and
moment.
I was actually very happy, like even in from the beginning itself. So at least I got a call for algebra, and I can check my whatever I know, at least from this interview. I'll get to know how much I'm ready. So yeah, so the interview was also very good here. I could do well.
So मतलब आपने लगभग क्वेश्चन के आंसर किए थे कि at some point of time you stuck also at some questions. What was that? It's at IIT Harvard?
Yeah, I was thinking, I mean, okay, the question was about splitting field, I mean, in Galois theory, sort of. So first they started by asking what are all the algebra related courses that I have done. So I told them I have done Galois theory, and so they started with the Galois theory.
So that experience was, how was that? I mean, did you handle those questions, or कहीं किसी क्वेश्चन पे आप अटके भी थे? I mean, ऐसा भी होता है कभी-कभी. Even though you know the answer, but still.
Sir, I was thinking, I mean, the answers were like not, I'm not able to give it. So I was thinking it slowly and I gave it. But yeah, and ma'am was giving me hints when I'm stuck. So, and that I could catch up.
Yes. So I
could
told
catch
you
up the hints
also.
and I could give the answer.
Yeah, during
Yes,
that batch, I also told you. And
yeah.
so now you are very much happy. So where are you right now?
Yes, sir. I'm very happy because I'm at the campus right now. I'm under quarantine now.
कब आप पहुंचे? When did you reach there?
Yesterday only.
कल ही आप पहुंचे हैं, right? और रिजल्ट कितने बच्चों का सिलेक्शन हुआ है?
Yes.
How many students got selected?
2 students, sir.
और उसमें से आप फर्स्ट हैं, आपका नंबर भी पहले था. So see, that is also feel very good for me. और यहाँ पे मैं बता दूं बच्चों को, इनका गेट में भी बहुत अच्छा रैंक नहीं था, जैसा इन्होंने पहले बताया. इनका जेआरएफ भी किसी कारणवश नहीं हो पाया. बहुत सारा फैक्टर होता है कभी कभी एग्जाम्स में. लेकिन देखिए, अगर आपका मेहनत सही रहेगा, आप डेडिकेटेड होके अगर ढंग से पढ़ाई करेंगे, तो रिजल्ट आपके सामने है. आप देख सकते हैं इनको. तो बस इनको नहीं देखना है, इनके मेहनत को देखना है. क्योंकि एट द एंड पीपल सी सक्सेस. वो ये नहीं देखता कि ये 5-6 महीने इसका कितना इसने पसीने बहाए हैं, वो बहुत कम लोग देखते हैं. और दैट आई हैव सीन the struggle and everything. I had seen the trauma you told me, that day one you told me. And what about your family condition? You didn't how is your economic conditions and all that? What is that? It's well or it's okay? What kind of, what your father does, what he does?
I'm from a agricultural background, so my father is a farmer.
क्या बात है. सब मेरे बच्चे आजकल फार्मर के बच्चे. कल जो बच्चे का आईएसएम में सिलेक्शन हुआ था, उसके पिताजी मतलब आपको पता चलेगा, वो रिपेयर होता है ना, साइकिल स्टोर जहाँ पे रिपेयर करते हैं साइकिल, वो काम का बच्चा है वो. और आप देखिए, किसान के बहुत सारे बच्चे निकले. मुझे भी बड़ा मतलब प्राउड हो रहा है कि किसान के बच्चे अच्छे रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट में पहुंच रहे हैं. वहां जाके वही मिट्टी एकदम मेंटेन रखना है. ओके, अपने आप को वही मेंटेन रखना है, चेंज नहीं करना है. मैथमेटिक्स में थिंकिंग को चेंज करना है, बट अपने आप को एज इट इज, हाँ भाई यही है, ठीक है, और मस्ती से वहां पे पढ़ाई करना है. राइट. सो कैसा था फैमिली का रिएक्शन, योर फादर्स रिएक्शन व्हेन उनको जब पता चला आपका रिजल्ट?
Sir, yeah, everybody is very happy about it. Also, the thing is, I was staying all these years, like from at least from BSc, I was outside home. That too, like it's quite far away. Even from for Udupi is like 6 hours. So now, like this place is just 3 hours from my home, and my parents are very happy about it.
क्या बात है. नहीं, कहीं दूर भी होता कोई खास फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट आप अच्छे जगह पहुंच गए, ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. दैट्स इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. और मुझे भी बहुत खुशी लग रहा है. ये आपको पता है, आपका आई थिंक मार्च में आपने जो रेगुलर बैच ज्वाइन किया था, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, तो होपफुली उंगली में अगर गिने तो 4 से 5 महीने. और 4 से 5 महीने में आप उस ट्रॉमा से निकल के और फोड़ दिया आपने. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. अभी आपको और आगे जाना है, और यही मेंटेन रखिए. ट्राई कीजिए कि अलजेब्रा में अच्छा पब्लिकेशंस, अच्छा रिसर्च करें, कुछ अच्छे जगह, अच्छे जर्नल में पेपर को पब्लिश करें. क्योंकि एट द एंड अब जो आगे आपका जर्नी होगा, वो आपके काम पे होगा. समझ में, आपका काम क्या है, काम बोलना चाहिए. ओके, जैसा अभी तक आपने किया है. और बस. और जो बच्चे ये वीडियोस देख रहे हैं, या जो आप ही की तरह थोड़ा बहुत डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं जाने से, या कुछ फैमिली इश्यूज भी किसी के होते हैं, उनको आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
We just have to keep on working, irrespective of whatever the situations are. If we give up, that's the end. So at least we have to try, then we have a chance of getting into something. So but all these things are very easy to say. I agree that, because it's not easy to implement it. But I think that's how one should move on, and move on in the sense one should be stronger and do the thing, even though if it's online or because we are at home, we feel quite bad about the things. But it's not actually, it is, I mean, how we think, it's not actually like that. So we can actually do it if we prepare well. I mean, if we study well with a good intention, that to intention to understand the concepts, we can clear it. So yeah.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत ही अच्छा सजेशन है, बहुत ही प्रैक्टिकल सजेशन है. जो आपने सजेशन दिया वो इनप्रैक्टिकल नहीं है, प्रैक्टिकल है. एंड आई होप बहुत सारे बच्चे इस चीज से उभरेंगे. तो बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आते हैं इससे रिलेटेड, बट एनीवे सब बच्चे ऑफलाइन या ऑनलाइन से लेके कंफ्यूज है. बट एट द एंड इफ यू आर गेटिंग क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन, डजंट मैटर इट इज ऑफलाइन और ऑनलाइन, यू आर डेफिनेटली एनीवे, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपने समय निकाला। और ये कितने दिन का क्वारंटीन है? 14 और 21 डेज, कितने दिन का है?
No, sir, it's just 7 days.
7 डेज। अब 21 से
Yes, sir.
14, 14 से 7, पता चला 7 घंटे के लिए रखेंगे। एनीवे, चलिए, बेस्ट विशेस। आई होप जब आप मिलें तो कर्नाटका फिर मिलते हैं हम लोग, कभी आएंगे तो, ठीक है। बहुत
Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
लगा आपके
Yeah,
साथ
I
जर्नी,
want to.
और बहुत खुशी है, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आपके लिए। बेस्ट विशेस और फिर बेस्ट ऑफ लक। ओके, चलो, टेक केयर, बाय।
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Means a lot.